1, 2. Right. Chat. Keep wheeling up. Keep wheeling. I don't know where these guys are. Let me try to call them.
The number you have dialed cannot be The number you have dialed cannot be
Kante danger no kayo. Hola, Liam.
The number you have dialed cannot be
Where's my radio's phone, eh? Number 55.1, eh? Channel 85. Yes, I forgot the radio. Why am I wearing a mask? 88.1. Oh, okay, okay. Thank you, Alex. 88.1. Dumelan Claire. Roger. Hey, I'm trying to remember what number 88.1. They're not there, these guys. But there are people here in the game. So I'll meet new people then. Oh, can you lick that? Alex, I don't know why this guy like punch him, bruh. Nah, I don't know. I don't know. It needs me to transfer all the cars. No, think about 5,000, eh? Let me get the velocity. Charge garage. Go charge garage. I don't know where these guys might be. He's back. I'm back. Wow, push up line one day. Why eat? Can't why your character like punching? I don't know why this guy likes punching, bro. Kila tele garage abo thato. Kung ba tengo. Garage abo thato e ha kay kante. Garage abo thato ke think. Is this one? I think it's this one. Ibido and garage abo thato. What is it called again? Why is it not on the map? Nah, but it's not normal, bruh. But it's not normal. What's this now? It's not normal, bro. I think, is it not LB or LS Garage? It's normal. Me telling you cannot do anything with you just to say sorry. It's a flex. Hey, I don't. It's LS. Has LS. Hey, there's a lot of people today. Ah, hi, Sticky. But like, velocity. I want to clever noise. There's a supercar outside here. Go figure. Go fitting. I just don't know where these guys are. It's locked. It's locked. Can I take the supercar? Yeah, we're not late. Yeah. It's had to just like Abobidi at the same time. I'm on the radio, they're not here. Kuli ma tabaga thata alone. Ke batla go ya ko. There's this other garage that they like also. Is it this one? Yes, TT. They like being at TT's garage as well. Hey, Kulu yellow man. Hey, why am I lagging? Yeah, no. What's going on? So there was an update on the game. There was an update on the game, so it will keep loading buildings, textures, and stuff. If they're not here, I don't know where they are now. Locked. Locked. I don't know where these guys are now. Let me check this guy. Let me check this. I know I like finding someone here. At this PP guy. Benny's. I always like finding someone here. Today there's no one. Hi, Wo.
The number you have dialed cannot.
Jerry's around.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, yo. Yo, are you guys
Yo, yo, yo.
are you guys open?
Yeah, we're open right now. You can come through.
Sharp.
Sharp.
Ni ka tla go ba bontsha gore ke rekile taranzi down. Ka tla ba bontsha hate mang that Ushe guy hate commenting on Sean. E le re o bua tshele ne mona. Hola. Hola. This guy's not talking. Can he's a local. Hey, what am I looking for? I'm looking for Jerry's because I don't know who is here. The guy Jerry's. Yeah, I'm streaming again. Yeah, show me. What's up? Takolo mana. Just let the kids be the kids, bro. Your time passed, bro. Just. Hela. Yo. Is Benny's? Is it Benny? You're streaming again, yebo. Bokang. Tla ntse ke banka ya koloi ela gona na bana. This guy is too fast, bro. Ntse ke banka ya koloi ela gona ke re ha ke landa bafana bale. Eish. Ke tla ka koloi e sekono da. Aya ni thudilwe ke eng yanong. Kante ke ithuwe ga history. This guy is too fast. Koloi e. Koloi e bana e bana. Wa le garage go gongwe. You know what, chat? Ke re banka ngela bohelo ne. Ha e kgoboga gape ke tsa koloi e sele. Ha e kgobogela ke tsa koloi e sele. Kante ke ithubega screen. Ke ithubega ka every time I etswa. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I drive slowly. Ka tsena ka koloi e sembele sekono. Ow. Bafana ba batla ke tsamaya ka koloi e sekono ka ba itse. Malaitaka na. Ke tenile way too quick. Mo ke boloi ala. Mo ke boloi ala mama later ka. Ke itlhobogile. I think there's a garage somewhere here. Ala garage ya pele. Yo. Okay, there's a garage here. Ka tla tsana. Kante ke ithuega ka kante koloi. Ba kae bafana ba? Ba re le ba butse, but there's no one here. These guys. Ba re le ba butse ba ra gona go peda. Hey, no go te ba stokile koloi ya me. I don't have the money still, yo. Ke checkile upstairs, ne ke kgone go bona ke le mo teng. Chat, I get to the kaya no. But let me see who's online. See, there are 15 players. I know. I get another way 21. But Tobacco, I don't know Tobacco. Now I think the guys I always play with, Habayo. Ne ba ira heist ka na ke tswa gantle ne ba ira heist. So ke tswa heist na ba ira kae. Because most of the people, this is like the famous spot. I also na po mo Legion. Turungan na ya King again, KFC. Tena mo KFC dia ra ba te DJ. It's locked. KFC. Chat, if you're watching this for the first time, please do follow me so you don't miss out when we go live again. Agar kile ko kayo malabat thoda. Oh, Isaac, you're watching this for the first time. Hey, man, you're watching Kusenaba to the. Let me try to call them again. Oh, wait, there's messages. They're going on doing. But I think Tasha left, ne?
The number you have dialed.
Okay.
The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed.
Handle ne ke kopanele mera ya this place. Oh, polo thing.
Wait, BK.
Oh, le ko kae, man.
We're at the beach. We're having a party there by the beach on the yard.
There's a party at the beach.
Yeah, we're having a party at the beach. Eh?
Which beach, man?
7022.
7022. 7022.
Yeah. 7022.
Alright, sharp.
Away.
7022. 7022. Ah, wait, mamacita. Ah. Hi, bro. Yo, hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good and you?
I'm nice. I'm new to the city, ne?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
What's your
BK.
name? BK.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Are you right with the lift and all of that?
Am I what?
Do you have a car?
Yeah, wait. I have a car. Yeah, let me show you.
Okay.
Flex. Yeah, I have a car.
Wow, how much you want for that car?
I'm not selling it. It's one of a kind. This one.
Oh, import.
Yeah. How long have you been in the city? Okay, moving new. Why? 2 months. I've been here for 3 days.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So what's your plan?
Okay. What's my plan? I'm sorted in the city, sir.
Oh, you're sorted.
Yebo.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Look here.
I must look where. Yeah, that's that. I like that car. What BM is that one? Which BM is this one? Chat, I lost.
82.
Oh, that's nice. It's nice.
I see.
Too nice. There's a party there in the beach there. My friends are that side. So let me try run that side and go enjoy the party.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
Enjoy.
Can I get your number? Maybe we could chat when you're still around.
Hey, I'm a married woman, eh?
Yeah, a married woman. Oh.
Yes. Chat since my husband.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
No problem. Nice to meet you.
No problem, you too.
Sure. Why is everyone married? Everyone is married, bruh. Wait. Happy Freddy is already rich, bruh. Short missed. Eish. Malaitaka. Change clothes. BK, notice the difference. Subscription. Oh, Junior subscribed. Dude, that's dope. Mra divorce. Ke wena hello sinking na kisingili do. Kya bana rogo subscribe le likta gara ka like some. Hey guys, I'm trying to look for the beach. Where's the beach? Guys, help me look for the beach. He said 2. Okay, no, thank you. 2022 7022. Where's 7022? But there's a party here. Beach party 7022 right there. At the end of the map is the beach. Alright, cool. Alright, let's land the beach party. ska re tsena go fitlhela go hetswa ai bona batho ka bontsi ba batla koloi like the 7.5R is not there on stock but if you don't have it and I don't understand why everyone drive well. Yeah, I'm driving well. I don't understand how everyone here is married, bruh. Like it's like mulmo hana tsena mo ba make sure wa nyala pele. Nne ke tshare ke me impresses because ne ke bona le khala ke re no barata di golf for da wa bona. Kana ntsa BM ngwana go tsang khalemela nthara mona. You're a small boy. Ka 7.5 ngane ari ya go. Clothes, bro. Hey, I can change. I got to tell about it. I should wear beach clothes. I should wear beach clothes. Boy, I go bona pele. Wait, let's go see. Maybe they're not wearing. Let me go see how they're wearing. First. To go change about ba ile. Let me go see. First. Yeah. E le gore go tsana yang gone ko. Let me call this guy. On the blue house on the map.
Wait, BK.
Is the blue house on the map, ne?
But yeah, BK, when you store your car at the garage, then you come to the beach. There's a yard. We're doing the party at the yard.
Okay, sharp.
Away. You will see, but you don't even, yeah, just park the car in the garage. Then there's a helicopter there by the beach there.
Okay,
An
sharp.
RR.
Okay, sharp. Oh, I see you, sharp.
Away.
This is the first time I'm invited to a party. Ish. I think these are the guys, ne? No? This looks against us, bruh. Chad, are this garage ya buang ko ne guy? Hey, the Rolls Royce.
Hola,
Hola.
Kambani Faith.
I'm looking for Paul. There's a beach party somewhere
The
here.
party.
Yeah, the party.
Yeah, there's a party. You see the yacht there, my brother, there. You see
Yeah.
the yacht there.
Yeah. On the yacht.
Go there. Yeah, on the yacht. Go there, my brother.
No, thank you, my brother. That's a nice car. It's a Rolls Royce.
Well, yeah, it's not mine. It's Ghost. Yeah, it's a very nice car, bro.
Aye.
Clean.
Away.
Away, Bali. What's your name, dog?
Yo, my name BK.
PK. Away. I'm done, bro. Nice
Sure.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Remove the jacket. I can't remove the jacket, bruh. I can't. Hey, let me put my gun ready. Yo. You guys, the way you've been saying gun ready. It's the first time I'm going to a party, so I don't know how you were. Go skipping, get thing. Yo, Chad, if you're watching this for the first time, please do give me a follow so you don't miss out when we go live again. I ke kgone go apologize malita. Ke batla go bona gore ba apere yang pele. If ba apere se beachy, se bo nice, ke a boa ke a go reka dilwana. Thank you for the follow. If you enjoy the stream, please leave a like. Guys, we're also streaming on YouTube at remmogovisuals. So if you want to watch the big screen, please do land YouTube at remmogovisuals. And please subscribe also so you don't miss out when we go live again. Ko di kepeng kana ka ha? Tla ke ome ka re go dipina. Playing on PC. Tla ke go komela. Le ke bona di light ka. Go skepe morena. Nyane ke tse ka chika kana ke tla tlhala go couple ngana ile ka. Ba itshafile mo khoneng da. The yacht. Yeah, I'm going there. Nka tla go komela ka. Prince, what up? I see you on YouTube, my guy. Party lo ne khakala ah. Party ferry. Yo, chat, when I arrive there, what do I do? Do I try to make a move on someone? Yo, Launa, thank you for the GGs, my guy. Oh. Let's see if they're inside here. I can't go in. Chat. Party yellow na ya ya sokodisa. Kana bakwa on that other one. They're on the yacht. So how am I gonna which yacht? This one or the one that is on the water there? How do I get on the yacht? He mentioned the helicopter. Helicopter where? Helicopter where? A jet ski. Where am I gonna get it from? Yes, I'm calling that guy too much now. Ish. Betsy. Hi, bo. I don't have a power bank, ne? Eh. Chat. I don't have a power bank, bruh. There's a boat there, though. They'll tell a party he delayed. What's this lady doing here? Let me ask her. Make it the back alarm. Roger. They're not in the same. They're not in the same frequency as me. Eish. Just go home. Nah, bruh. What is Zamba, boss? I don't know when I'm police. I don't wanna go home, bruh. Swim, just swim. I can swim there. Jump, BK. What if I die? So how am I gonna go up, guys? If I die, I can swim. I don't know how to swim. Hey, yo. I didn't hala pinaban. Tell them to come fetch you. My phone died, so there's no way I can let them come fetch me. My phone died. Let me get on this boat. I can get on this boat more, Sagan. Yeah. Search for keys. Fuel low. Someone was going there, ne? Someone was also going there and the fuel finished. Now you are wet. Eish. Usually ke santla ke enjoy yana. O bola tlhaloganyo. I'm trying to. Gag. There we go. Le show ba go nemo a ke rena bana. Fitela di gangster di na le meeting gona. A ke utlwe music, a ke utlwe sep. Le show ba go nemo. I should have went up, ne? Party hedile dog, music go kae. Like the party's finished, bruh. The party's done. Hijack the yacht. How? There's no party here, bruh. All this hustle, bruh, what a partying. Hey, delay. Is that a low? I think that's a local. Hey, Labokan, stop. What? Check the first yacht. The one by the beach. The other yacht. Ow, bana. Yone MJ timile nyele. Amale taka ngwele tla bana itimile bana yana di light bana. Ke bezwa ke stress. Itimile tla bana ngwele bana. Helicopter kill. Wait, helicopter kill. Let me run there.
Hey.
What's up? Yo, bro, do you know where the party is by the yacht?
Ya tiki tano yan by driver.
I wanna go to the party, bruh.
Ako na party isi thumi batho. Akitsi batho ba kae.
There's someone swimming in the water. Do you see that guy on the water?
Hey.
There's someone on the water.
Ki ye ya driver. Why Ngabona ya tiki tlo lenda kwa yona ka helicopter ye ya ka.
Bruh, I was looking for you the whole map, bruh.
That small boat.
It's me.
You're looking for me though, my man. Now you got the boat stuck.
It's not stuck. I can move it. Who's driving the yacht?
Okay, move it. Let's see.
Are you in the are you in the first boat? The yacht, the party's inside there.
The yard, you wanna pack it properly. The yard, wanna pack it properly.
Ya,
Oh.
Cool.
I thought the party was done. I thought the party was done, Joe.
It's not done. The problem is that the yard again keeps on doing funny things. So we're not talking on the sea or bring on the sand.
Oh, who's driving it?
Yes.
We did not drive for the occasion. Where's the yacht?
Hey, nyamale.
Ish.
We are
Where's the yacht? Yeah, no. Get Titanic. He's disappeared, yo.
Ish. Wait, let me call King. Wait.
Where's the yacht? Yeah, no.
Is the yacht making this sound? And who was making this sound?
There's someone who's playing music, ne?
No, there's a horn.
Hey, another maketa, no.
Ukapele.
Another man, yo, bo. Bona Rolls Royce abo ni ko morago re na le ditilo da. Abafana ba mona ba chamana. Man. Where's the yacht now? Paul.
Yo, for the God, call me.
If only it was real life, bruh.
You wanna give it another try?
But where's the yacht?
BK, I'm with you, BK. Don't worry, I'm with you, BK.
Okay, sharp.
You're trying to sort out with the whole way the yacht is. Call me on the phone, King.
Yo, chat, the yacht disappeared.
BK, when I told you to go buy power banks, must.
Hey, bruh, I forgot. Yo.
You gonna flex? Why you?
Nah, I'm not flexing. Wow, bruh. Wow.
I'm telling you, you're gonna flex. You are. You.
Ow, Joe.
I'm having problems accessing my pockets with you. Where's Slime? Slime.
Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone.
King, why don't we move the whole thing to your place, bro?
Hey, but let's move the part. I can't remove the jacket, bruh. Papa, I like the jacket. Let's keep it. Let's really do the dog and take a party. What about this skinny chini? What's up?
Jet fuel,
Hey, who's playing music, bruh? I can't hear you. Hey, tell them to reduce the sound. Hey, we can't hear now.
It's also T/PMMS.
Huh?
T/PMMS. Fokotse volume da.
Nah, ke mo ke malaita ga reng kante.
PMMS KBK.
So, big.
T/PMMS.
PMMS. Eish.
Control the volume there.
Majuba no pate
You can even kill at all volume.
Efan Vegas.
Yeah.
Ah, sharp. I managed. I managed.
Away.
Boat na tsuntere.
Yeah. BK, you the one who packed it there.
Yeah, I can move it.
Okay, move it. Let's see, my man.
Eish, Miki bua like I can move it how? I can't move the boat. I can't move the boat. Oh, this is Jason. I can't move the boat. I can push it. I can.
Okay, I know.
Ish, my man. Ish, my man. I can't push it. I thought I could push it, my man. Ish,
Mario, so you can move it most.
ish. I can't move it now. Yo,
So what's the problem, BK?
I can't move the boat, bruh.
Nah, BK.
Ish, sorry, my man.
When I told you, when are you gonna flex? Why you?
I'm not flexing. Why, bruh?
You packed my boat on the sand. Now I have to fetch another boat.
I didn't know it's your boat, bruh. I saw the boat when I was swimming in the water and I saw a boat there. I was like, oh, okay.
So you stole it, Mata.
I didn't steal it, bruh. I saw it on the beach there. You should
Mata,
look.
this is very confusing, Mata. So you was in the water, then you drive there.
The yacht is coming. The yacht is coming.
No, the yacht is coming. I'm asking about my boat here.
You should lock your boat.
Who's in the water? They move out of the water.
It's gonna disappear again. It's gonna disappear. Yo, Titanic, yo.
It's gonna disappear. King, just watch out for my small boat here. Big factor on the sand. Just to not make sure you don't hit it too.
Hey,
Yeah.
that thing it. Yeah, it's sinking. It's sinking in the water, yo. Hey.
It's not sinking.
What is it doing now?
My man, I don't know, but it's not sinking.
You guys are doing Diddy parties in that boat, my guy.
You. Titanic showed you flames. You.
What so many flames?
Titanic.
It's so many flames, bruh.
Yeah. It's not moving anymore. Salute. Let's party here. You.
There's someone with the. I'm not P Diddy, bruh. I'm not. Why are you calling me?
Talking about P Diddy now, so I'm very confused.
Bruh.
Or P Diddy was doing what at the party?
Stop taking notes, bruh. What are you taking notes from?
Or BK was bargaining. P Diddy was doing what at the party?
Stop taking notes, bruh. What are you doing?
No, I'm taking evidence. When they come here, then I must explain. I must make sure I have the record. I must have the record. Dude, P Diddy was doing what at the party?
No, you can't play with PS5. You need PC.
I don't know what I mean here.
But we should use a card to push this thing inside.
Yeah. You have to use a card to push it inside. I was testing you out if you know what you're talking about.
Oh.
You can get that call from Slime here next to me or from Todd. That call is free, man. The what? The what?
Guys, where's the party?
It's on the yard. They're going to it now.
There are people inside.
Bish Margiman. What are you saying, Slime?
I'm here with the suit.
There's a what?
Get the caves.
Get the.
Slime, what are you saying? Go get what?
Go get the
Okay.
the girls here.
You go get them bennies. Me, I'm the alcohol and food person. I get it. My man, someone
Hola,
bump this
hola.
boat back into the
Ota uelo na BK.
dawn. But not
What's
the
up?
boat,
What's
the
up? What's
king.
up? What's up?
Are yara tanele boat tare.
Let's do it.
Are yamba. Tanela kapit, yeah.
Yo, Chad, first time on the boat. First time on the chopper. Are they drunk? These guys are drunk. They've been partying. But Tula boat got Rolls Royce. Hi, boo. Uka music. Ah, are you a pilot, my brother? Ah. 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 Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. My Golf 8 is still there. Away.
Helicopter lendile.
Away.
You need to move.
Hey, where are the party here, but my brother?
Why are you moving?
Hey, it's the first time on the drop. I don't know what I need to do.
I get it. You say the helicopter, the boat is steady.
Bro, where's the party at? Can I'm told there's a party. You know, I'm from far away, bro. But the chopper.
I get it. Yeah, Ryan's no. Are before you.
Eish.
Oh, amo. Yeah, you aksa kono tsena why? Yo.
Ah, it's chai for the plane, my guy. Ah.
Yeah, it's steady, yeah, bro.
It's chai for the plane, bro. We can't get inside.
You can't get in, eh?
Ah, it's chai.
I might get the so sit in vehicle.
Ah, it's chai. There's another chopper. Yeah, let like a khone, Joe. There's another chopper. Is that about chopper? Up there, the green one.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now. Oh, yeah, wait. Let me see.
Oh.
Wait. Yeah. Where is it? What's that? Where is it?
I just pressed triangle to get
Eh?
inside.
APK.
I was on the front part. To go to the front and then press the one that you enter with.
Yeah, can.
Let me try again.
Emma mo aiming kita na.
Let me try again.
Wait.
Ah, why? But you know you can it worked once, so it can work again.
Yeah, I can make again. Para bana ka mo ay yo ene yaw.
Let me. Should I get inside and then fly? Bon, give me the keys.
Yeah, let me give you. You can. Ne?
Hmm.
Come, let me give you keys. Yeah.
Okay, sharp.
Say na karbo. E ka be go file di key ya it yo. Wa gona.
Yeah, I'm getting inside.
Yes. Nguke re.
Ke go kuke.
Nguke da.
Ah, you know what? Go on top. Jump on top and press triangle.
Yeah. BK, take it up.
Bona, jump on top and press triangle. And press.
Yeah, don't worry. Try. Yeah, wait. Yeah, let me drive. Try I can drive. Hurry. Yeah, we are going up.
Ah! This guy killed me, Mos. Ntakompola ile. This guy, man. Mary ke teng e tsenya koloi mo.
Wait, now. I got him, gents. I got him. Where's your Mary going, Kante?
This guy made the good put me back in the ward. Ay! Dog, we put out Naira yalo chief. Dog, they sliced me, bruh. Kante naman alit sa kanya naman. Eish. Baba take reload as skinny rapager. I'm gonna get in this car. Joe, why is that guy killing me, bruh? Why is that guy killing me, bruh?
But the helicopter killed you.
This guy, he knows how he gets inside the helicopter. I was trying to do the same thing and he started the helicopter.
Titanic, what are you doing, Marakan?
Bruh, nah, bruh, that guy killed me, though.
My man.
My brother, why are you killing me, my brother? Why are you killing me? Why are you killing me? Man. It's you, bruh. It's you. You know what you did, bruh.
Okay. Fine.
You started the engine. You started the engine, bruh.
Relax.
Bruh, you started the engine, bruh. Come here. Come here.
Climb.
Police
off you're off duty.
Where are we going?
The PD guard, yes.
Where are we going? Where are you going?
Listen, you're off duty, my man. You do not do such thing off duty.
Where are we going?
Okay, Namela, I'm going chops you again. George Namela,
Bruh, why you chop me, my brother? I agree. You know how we get into the chopper. You go up and then press. I was trying to do the same thing, but you started the chop.
People are gonna die.
Is the party still in the chopper?
No, chop. It's in the yard, man.
Yo, in the yard. But I haven't seen people here. There are people inside.
Yeah, people are still coming.
Hey, my dog chop.
They got sent chopping. I'm too tough.
I got over them kankamol.
Yeah, it's sharp. Yeah, Relendy Lemonade.
He doesn't want me. You locked me inside, bruh. You locked me inside. It's refusing me to come out. Haibu. Kanto ko irakalan na bana. Washwa. Yeah, la tla washwa. Medic wa tura malaita. Ke bereka la go bitsa medic hela. Medic wa tura malaita. Kana bona I had 300k.
Two. But I'm saving lives, gents. Man, wait. Yeah, I just saved these lives, gents.
Party tla pala malaita party yang costa ban. Party yang costa. Nekinali about 400k. Khona ke na le 100 mme di ke tsa madi otlhe. Again and again. Bona hela
My
ro
man, now we always have to remind you what killed you. You were diving in the water. My man.
My man, your guy killed me again, bruh.
Killed you how? Why?
He parked near the edge. When I got out, I fell in the water and then died.
Okay, my man. Swim there, climb from the back. You and the helicopter always dying.
Away.
Hey,
Bruh,
I'll transfer you money for medic. Hey.
I lost 300k to medic.
My man. Mara, you. I really don't know how to swim. That's the problem.
Bruh, that guy said I should go in the chopper. I went in the chopper. He's killing me twice. He's sacrificing me.
Okay, for now, stop climbing the chopper, my man. Go there, Dala, climb from the back. Hey, you and your medicing. I'll send you money for the medicing. Hey.
Alright, sure, away.
One of the guys will give you alcohol and food and then parking at the yard there.
Okay, sure.
And stop diving in the water, my man.
I have a young black label there. Is it fine?
Nah, my man, you need moonshine, not black young label. That does nothing.
Away.
When I just get one of the guys and ask for alcohol.
Okay, sure.
You got the money for you in medicine non-stop news.
Madota. Wow. Yeah. Oh.
Hurry. Want to go on the boat? Let's go there.
Climb there. Stop climbing the helicopter. Climb there. And stop climbing the helicopter.
Away.
Get off me. You must announce that I'm picking up people with my jet today by the beach. Jump.
I'm gonna get strong. No, he sent. I have 600k, so he sent about 400k. You are the problem. I'm not the problem, my guy. Party is like about delay. He's rich. That guy has money, bro. I'm the only guy without money here. But to back I'm early to the party.
Hey, BK.
Hola.
Okay.
Hey, Bryce, I'm too early to this party. Yo.
Awuzela mfethu, awuzela.
Huh?
Mfethu, khona umjitso kade ehamba ngemoto eyama-locally earlier on mfethu. Akwena.
Why is it that we're charging me now when I finished paying off the balance?
That's yona lengiropile le.
Hey, alert. Bruh, I can't remove the jacket.
Next F1, then go to general, then close. F1, then general, eh?
F1. Wait. General. Clothes. Oh, t-shirt. Ah, yeah. Matata no akena. Akena DJ da. Elena ke fresh thata wait. Too fresh. No tattoo, no nothing. Ah, buti ya lona ke lo ne ka re ya sinka yana. Ah, buti ya lona ya sinka maleta. Eh, Junior ana le lona maleta.
Ngidlalele lo mjitsi plug la.
Yeah, man.
There's no sleeping. It's sleep. Oh, it's not sleeping. Sleep. How do you cancel this? Yeah, no, Rubits.
Lona uwile la phansi.
Fethu le shandisi le. Lo mjitsi amele atshele uZweli ukuthi
Blind, bro.
because kumele engabe uyakwazi ukuba i-egama copy egama se-iyama bese ungalula unyakaza.
Ke go dogile too early, man.
Kade iqalile le shadisi.
Ah, party ke go dogile too early, man. Johnny Agitoroka. Ah, Johnny kana bolesa ngondo kana. Chat, if you're watching this for the first time, please do follow so you don't miss out when we go live again. Sleeping car gangster. What to get blackout this in.
Silana, we are here.
Wait, how do I?
I think people are not coming here.
People keep on popping.
Abanye bayangala manje. I don't know why.
Guys, how do I cancel? I want to cancel the action I took. How do I cancel it? Pex, uskawar. Kitla bangkang. Go back. Oh.
do my job when you want me to jump.
Irangant. No music, no nothing. I am Malay Blackers. Black label in Malay.
Hey, no.
Blackers in Malay.
Kiwa part, kuta kunaipika.
Party adinti. I don't know party. Kya manganti mo host am party.
The Prince Baba, Inam.
Yo guys, is there anyone coming? Is there anyone coming for the party? Is anyone coming for the party? Bra, I drink a lot. Get blackout till before the party starts, bruh. Hey, that black label is hitting, my man. Yo. That black label is hitting, my boy. Yo.
I can see.
Give out the Hennessy. Yeah. Waiter.
Jen, somebody's dead inside of the pool again.
With the party about the bar, swai it. Party about the bar, swai, man. If you can please send this gift to a fan to grow your fan membership. I don't know who I'm meeting. Yo, my man. Yo, my man. My man, just number 10. Yo, my man. My man. Yo, my man. Yo. Looking Final Destination. Play some music. How do I play music? How do I add to favorite? Or L shift. And press enter. L shift enter. L shift enter. Yeah. Ana oír. Kanano wa uthola ro betselana. Yo, guys, is this party happening? What's going on?
Yeah, we're still trying to get more people to pull up because you see we started late, set up everything, the yachts and stuff. So ma ukuthi khona ufuna ukuphuthuma kuyona kwi-seats, you can go rush through it.
I can
Come back.
Yeah,
But-
you can come back because people are still trying to pull up.
Aish, okay.
Because I know like people are just still gonna attend to other things, but people are gonna keep coming back.
You know why everyone is not here?
Yeah.
Everyone is doing heist right now.
They are doing what?
They're doing heist.
Oh, heist.
Yeah.
Nah, give them time. That's what I'm saying. If you wanna go do something, you can. Just give them time.
It's because we're off duty, so now they're doing heist.
Oh yeah, no, it's fine. Just enjoying some nice music because I'm setting up a joint in my head.
What's going way?
Don't die.
Now you're setting up a joint in your head.
Ngisho mawuthi ngifuna ngikwehlisa music kancane.
Yeah?
If you want me to lower the music.
Yeah. That guy stole my
Guys,
date.
how do I switch on the music?
Somebody's coming there.
How do I work it at the volume? I switched it off earlier. How do I put it back? No, what the PMM?
Oh, somebody's boat is flying away there, James. Look. Ay, ay, ay. If you parked your boat there, I forget.
Going with
You
the
go
waves.
check there.
How did you do the volume thing? I forgot.
Hey, wow, oh, I don't make some fun. So call it some le.
Alright, Petit number ngikuqambela man.
Yeah,
Yebo Paul.
I'm back.
Smong.
I see it's late.
Let's try and get more people to pull up and then
Where's DJ?
just give them time.
I'm here, man. Yo. Aye. Yo.
Yeah. Drink.
Don't fall off, hey.
Drink.
Ngazi jam uzobhekela
If
kodwa.
you want food, you tell.
Kana sebeka copyright.
Sihle siyancane ukuze sizozwana masikhuluma.
Enjoy music and twana.
Zotshala kanjani lo mkhumbi ngidawe.
You got the game with that. Ay.
My men.
4. Ay. With the boys. Oh. Hey, ke atariwa ya no. Ke tswa ke se dite. Yo. Ke atariwa. Ke atariwa. Oh. Yeah, ke atariwa ya no. Go diragala eng yana go nna go blue yana.
Where are you?
Yeah, Mr. Party, take you and Mr. Party. Aye, slime move. Move, slime.
Ay. Oh. Ay. Ita mola black ass. Oh.
enough money, bring enough alcohol.
Etlang mola black ass. What did you taste? I get your nele ntakolotsa di video.
Who's live?
Ay 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 ay.
Killing it tagile Paul.
Eh bana rolo tagilweng ya we yang ko.
Oh, free booze the whole night, buffet.
Ay 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 ay.
Me.
Oh. Ah, Michael Jackson ni wena. Ah, ukoti wena, ukoti na. Ah, yeah, eh. Ah, ya 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 ya. Ukoti naka. Ukoti. Ukoti.
Wait. Drink, buffet. Enjoy.
Hey. Oh. Hey.
What is it, BK? What is it?
Ay 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 ay. Hey.
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 Ay. Are. Yo. Are. Oh. Are. Hey. Oh. Ah.
Hey, what's happening there?
Oh, matata daw ora kay na mana. Oh. Are. Sela. Oh.
Wait.
Hey. Ay.
Drink.
Ah.
Drink.
Thanks.
Salute Maseke.
Ah.
The bodyguard.
You were saying
The bodyguard.
Drink.
Yo, my brother, you're gonna pass out. You drinking like this?
Rapatola.
It's life for me.
Rapatola kwa.
Nah, but yeah, man, let's all enjoy and get drunk on a nice Friday.
We need lights.
We need to enjoy sometimes and not always grinding to make money, you know.
Ah, we work hard, bruh.
Sometimes you need to relax also. No, I don't know much people.
These lights, man, they are fine.
Kita so piano on that.
These lights fine.
I don't know much.
I got to wanta bibi gela da rapatola kwa nuru.
I was thinking, you know, because I remember them saying something about their friend having to come here.
Rapatola da. Oh. Rapatol. Ay. Hey. Oh.
Hey, King, how are these lights?
Oh. Otai bola. Ay. Oh. Ay.
Yeah, I'm doing the lighting.
Hey, I can see the lighting, my guy. Oh.
Yeah. Have a wait.
Ace. Does anyone here has a power bank?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, can I get one? Ace, I need to call someone to the party, bruh. Kya ho utla man?
The lights they were the one now or kidnap.
Kya di bona? Ah, yeah. Di sharp.
What's the power bank? Raise your hand if you want the power bank.
Ah, it's me, bruh. Ah, no, it's me here. Ah, it's me with the power bank here. Ah, come on, ask first. Come on. I did ask first about the power bank, bruh. Where's the power bank?
Oh, I gave it to the guy.
Ah, but I'm the first one to ask about the power bank. Bruh, the power bank. The power bank.
Oh. Let me add one light here.
Four, I get.
Hayi Tony mnganami ngiyazi ukuthi Tony uyakwazi ungizwa. Angisifana ubuwathi ushota.
Uthula.
Hey, what's going on, dude?
Uthunya nyano.
Baqhuba umkhumbi manje.
Ah, the lights.
They just blew up the sheep, dog. The cow is sharp pants.
Hey la, power bank ke kaya no. What happened to the power bank?
How did they place the bomb here?
Someone is looking at us.
How, Muna?
Where's the power bank?
Rocket, go down, gentle, everyone get inside, everyone go inside, everyone go inside.
You see, hey, we're gonna die here.
Dog, I can't turn off the music because the ship is blown up. The ship is blown up. I can't
Cancel the music. Cancel the music.
The ship is blown up. I can't drive there. See, it's on fire. Come here.
What's the music?
Guys, pause the music. No. Guys, the thing is the light that fell down. It's the light that made that sound.
Yeah, I feel like it's the lights, dog.
It's the light. No one is bombing us. It's the light.
Slam, dude. Do you think we should move the party to the house?
Yeah, bro. Let's move to the
Let's move to the
Yeah,
house.
bro. Whoever is a chopper, can I go with you if your chopper didn't blow up?
Chat, the party's done. Can't no wearing.
Do not drown, please. People, do not drown.
Ah, bruh, I don't know how to swim, bruh. I don't know how to swim.
Man, go with the bodyguard. I beg you. BK, I beg you. I beg you.
Hey, how are you picking me up like that now? Ah, this guy.
That's the only way to pick you up.
Hey, now I don't know how to swim, bruh. Yo.
Let me just take you there.
Eish.
Wait, how are we going? Okay, just jump down there. Don't, not inside of the water. Hey, where you climb.
Hey, You're better the big flip you.
Come. Let me carry you there. Before you drown. Let's go.
Hey, bro, I'm drunk. Hey, I'm drunk, my guy. I'm drunk, yo. I can't even. I can't even move, bruh. Where is the party moving to?
Agents, we need one more car there.
It's
We need one more car. We need one more car.
My car is at the garage. I can go get it to the garage there.
Let me see there. Let's go. Let me get in.
Gompieno re kwa la malitag.
Paul. You don't want me to drive you there.
You guys are leaving me behind.
Yeah, come. Not you, Paul.
Go busy gompieno.
Come out.
My phone is dying, yo.
Give me the key.
Get inside and give him the keys.
The place already marked.
Yeah.
Okay, but slide market there.
Already marked.
Royce in that.
Paul, I'll tell you when we get.
I can only reach friends gompieno.
I'll tell you when we get there because I don't know.
Yeah, wait.
I gotta quit a beat. Ah. Nah, I'm streaming on YouTube at remmogovisuals. YouTube. Wabona re ntlo ya teng go Beverly Hills, go ba Humi Street. I said it. O iragalang go Phikwe. Ke aga presidente. Eish, I don't know where my house is, bruh. I need to charge my phone. Lo agona bona la ntlo ela gore lone bona ntlo kana kaeng. Ai. Bruh, you locked me inside the car. You guys locked me inside the car. Man totally it.
Go out. Flex X and get out. Move the bell, flex X, get out. Away.
What's all the gate TV? How we only partying in his only guys? Where are the girls? Where are the honeys, bro? You guys.
You love girls, you.
Where are the honeys, bro?
Hey, bro, I was
no
asking
honeys
for the
today in
same
the
thing.
You
I
guys.
just saw someone here. I'm not sure if it was a local or
Where?
while I was closing the gate.
What was they wearing there?
No, maybe it was a local. So it's Kyle. Yeah,
Jason,
let's go
where are you,
inside,
James?
gents.
Where are you, James? Jason and
Yeah, here at Prince's house.
at the rooftop or inside?
Let's go inside so that I can lock the gate. Oh, you, that one.
You, the person can't even move. Prince.
God, umuseduze kwami lesibhamu ngasicubula ngangephuzo ngitshela.
Yeah. Ay. Hey, let me see.
Hey.
Yo. Jason no go kae man.
Hey, re second location baba.
Re gone ha re pila, e re mo mentioning oh.
Hey, tsena ka mo mnyako.
Oda.
Yeah.
Okay, no, sure.
One vehicle, this guy's just standing in the middle of the road.
There's someone here. Who's this?
It's a fun vehicle.
Oh, it's security. Run security.
Just dropping something.
Yeah.
We baba.
Yeah. The answer da.
Utini, ay, izandla phezulu, ay, izandla phezulu, ay, sesiya phezulu, ay wena
Ah.
sesiya phezulu, ngithi sikulandile, ay, angithi sikulandile, ay sikubonile, ay thina sikubonile, ay izandla phezulu, ay sesiya phezulu, ay thina sikulandile, ay sikubonile, ay izandla phezulu, ay sesiya phezulu, ay sikulandile, ay sikubonile, simphathile, yo yo yo, simbonile, ay ye ye ye, simphathile, yo yo yo, simlandile, ay ye ye ye, simbonile, ay yo yo yo.
What are bina da?
Monday, hangout. A Tuesday, but it puma Tuesday. A Wednesday, kupuma guwe. Mama Wednesday, but it's a Thursday. A Monday, hangout. A Tuesday, but it puma Tuesday. A Wednesday, but it puma guwe. But it's over Thursday, Tiba Thursday. A Friday, simple kule. Kuma VIP, sim
drinking.
Uma puma, umbonile. A Friday, simple
Oh, this is also making a point.
sim todile. Ayena simla.
Kwaka mthako yanu.
Umbonile, awuzweke. Wena ucabanga ukuthi sizozwa ngawe. Uthini? Hey. Asambe wena. Hey. Awuzweke. Hey.
Yeah, cause angeke ube soloku.
Angeke baba.
Angeke ube soloku isufuriti.
Hayi wena. Asuka man, hayi wena man. Hey. Wathini bo?
You can hit the bell there.
Asuka man, hey, hey. Hayi man. Hayi wena man. Hey, hayi. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, asuka man, hey. Hey. Hayi. Hey, wena man. Atin so kumele. Hey, mawu papela man. Fast so Sunday. Hey, besenya kudumbisa. Hayi, hey, atin so kumele. Hey, mawu papela. Hey, fast so Sunday man. Hey, besenya kudumbisa. Hey, hey. You wanna me far away. So,
Nkoma jite, nkoma jite, nkoma jite.
asuka man, hey man. Hey, hey. Hey, wena man.
Ah, bra. Bra. Au, bra. Mthako wa mpolao. Kya shwa. Kya shwa. Yo, kya shwa. Ako emele tlelo wena. Yo. Bra, why are you trying to kill me, bra? I'm to go wata umpolao. Mthako wata umpolao. Where did you see ne bana? Mthako wa mpolao. La man. Mthako wa mpolao. Wena ndo za GC. This guy is killing me, bruh. Bruh, Jason is killing me, bruh. Jason has been trying to kill me, he's drowning me. No, I read the comments, my guy. I see the YouTube comments. I see them. You guys are not commenting. The last time you commented, you said I said it, and you said you barely read why comments. I hope he didn't steal my stuff. Jason, give me low, you like that. Get on Jason from now on. Jason, give me low. You see that one time I don't want to make money. I want to party with the boysins. Now they're attempting to kill us now. Bruh, I don't know what happened. I just logged out. Yo, Jason Kimulo, man. I'm gonna report him. I'm gonna tell him, yo, bruh, I'm gonna report you. You're trying to kill me. I'm gonna report that guy. I'm gonna report him for sure. Where is that connected? Go make money, my guy. Yeah. No, I'm gonna go to Jason and tell him, oh, yo, bro, what you're doing is not nice. And then I leave them. I go make money. Danger hasn't flown in. Danger, what about you? Danger is a wanted man. So I don't know when he's gonna come into the seat. Danger is a wanted man. So he's still on the run. I know how you load. What's wrong now? Okay, there we go. Yo, guys. I don't know what happened.
It's that plug talk. Straight out the fucking mud talk. Can't spit it if you're in the slums talk. Kapela libaso zitin kanjan izinjazam makhelwane wafro ubiza boba kwizinjazam asida lingestok awubiza bona kwizinjazam sakhe bayekalo awubiza bona kwizinjazam
Ke latela Jason. Ka re nka mo latela ke tshwere thobolela ba ke mo thuntse a lantsa ntse a itebetse itse. O ira mataka. Batho ba goroga ke eo. Yo, my guy, where's Jason? Where's Jason?
Yeah, what's wrong?
Ah, brother, you're trying to kill me. I saw you, bro.
What did I do, me? Bro, take off your mask, bro. Take off your mask.
Yeah, take off your mask.
Take off your mask.
Who are you, Veli? Oh.
Man, it's you. Yeah.
No, Sha, Fede. No, just this is that man. Jason, sure. You're trying to kill me, I bet. Ah, no, sure, my brother, sure.
Listen, why are you killing people?
Nah.
He can't swim.
Listen.
Now I'm dipping. Hey, I'm saying I'm.
Listen, Jason. You see, Jason wants to kill people, Jen.
Now I'm going. Hey, Jason was trying to kill me, bro.
This guy wants to
Yeah, but we are swimming underwater.
This guy was trying to kill me, bro.
Kick him out, Minier, listen. We'll kick him out, it's fine. Jason,
Jason, what's going on, Mara Jason?
Nagata mama malita. Ba twintsana ka ntse go iragalang ko morago.
BK, where are you going, my man?
I'm going. This guy was trying to kill me, bro.
It's you and Jason, Mara. You and Jason have problems. Come inside before the local kill hit you with the car,
bro, I'm calling my car. I'm going.
The local is gonna hit you with the car. Hey. You're on the road. Where are you going now then?
Bro, I'm going home, bro.
What the God? So now you don't wanna party anymore?
Nah, bro.
Salute,
I'm fearing for my life, Chief. I'm fearing for my life.
What's wrong?
So where are you going now, BK?
I'll see. Hey, ish. My car is here. Hey, guys, we'll chat, ne?
You call me, Marlena. You don't keep on charging your phone, bro.
Yeah, no, I'll buy a power bank sharp.
Say if I wanna give you a power bank already.
Sure. The locals are gonna finish my car there. Let me go get it.
Okay, wait.
Sure.
In my head. Watch out.
That man na batla go mpola. Hey, na ke di 10 na no. Or a farming walk. He was trying to suffocate him in the water. Bruh. This guy was trying to kill me. Chat, Lebon. Yeah, I'm gonna go make money. I'm tired of these guys. That guy was trying to kill me, bruh. Wait. I'm trying to go back to town. I need to go to the shops first. Go get some clothes. Party he delay wheel. Can I get exhaust working on mo golf 8 yag? It's not bad. I hope you don't take a detail tura yan. Hey, I got a tura. Who am I talking to? Can I budget? Hey. Yeah,
BK,
what's up? What's up? What's up?
where are you? Because we're going to TT, me and Tiger.
I'm trying to change clothes. I'm in the shops.
At the
I'm in.
clothing store.
Yeah, Morningwood Street.
Nah, it's go that store is gonna give you problems. That one.
Hey, I'm going to that. I'm going. Where you guys going?
Meet me at TT, then I'll take you to the clothing store.
TT, yeah, sure.
Sure.
Is Jason there?
No, Jason, they're going somewhere else. Can I talk with you and Jason?
I'll tell you when I arrive there.
Yeah, wait.
Sure. This lady go iphihlile ka how. Uirenga. There's someone on this side. Anyway. TT. Leg. There's leg. Wait, chat, there's lag on the stream. 7.5 I think. Category is 80. I haven't used the 8, so I was trying to. Category is 80 today. Lag is too much. Hey, is it still lagging now? Even now. YouTube, is it lagging? Yay. Okay, YouTube says no. TikTok. Drop the 7.5. Drop it where? I'm by TT. Where are these guys? Where are these guys now? Is this them? Hi, bro.
How are you, Joe?
Why chilling, bro?
Me and you no beef. I don't want to get.
No problem, brother. Who am I speaking to?
It's George, the security guard.
Oh, George.
Jason, I always tell him, but I must not.
Bruh, this guy, he took me under the water. He was beating me under the water, bruh. I saw.
I even told him before we go to the party. I'm like, hey, Jason, I know you, what kind of person you are. Don't do. Jason.
That guy.
Now look, he put himself to shit.
Chat, can you hear us?
The one that ruined the part. Enjoying.
The party was nice, bro. I was enjoying.
I wasn't even jumping from rooftop. Having fun.
From rooftop.
Bro, you didn't see me. Didn't you hear on the radio when they kept on saying that's me when I was jumping from the roof.
You are doing things, my brother. Can I get your number?
Always. It's not the first time you get in trouble.
Jason, man.
It's the first time you got in trouble with me. Then yeah.
Someone is calling. Wait.
No, they're calling me. Hey, Paul. Yeah, I'm here, Titi. Thank you so much. I'm at Titi here. I'm saying thank you.
Yeah, it's good. Yo, sorry about the lag, guys. No game sound. YouTube, there's still no game sound.
Wait, BK.
Where?
Yeah, let's buy
Via where?
I don't know, my man. Let's just buy it because I see Jason is still here. Whoever Sky is, I don't know who Sky is this.
Let's go.
Yeah, wait. Kandor, what happened, BK?
Let me find a spot first.
Okay, salute. No, turn right. No, turn right here. Come, where's your apartment, Dwayne?
Hey, bro, I don't know, but it's somewhere here.
Do you have 3,000 on you, must?
Yeah, I have 3,000.
Yeah, go straight. The clothing store is the front there.
Where?
You know what? Let's see. You have enough petrol. I park the car. I'll take out a car. Then you go to the clothing store by Bahamas. There.
But I should do what? I want to change my clothes.
Yeah, I know you want to change your clothes. You change the clothes there. The clothing store by Bahamas. Send right at the stop at the road there.
Oh.
The problem is this clothing store is a hotspot. Like, that's not a problem.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah, turn right there by the road. Otherwise, did you enjoy the night meal? Turn left there.
The party was nice. The first time partying in the city ever since I got here. It was nice, bro.
Yeah, you pass in the garage there.
Oh.
It's the first time you go to a party in the city.
Yeah, it was first time.
As long as you enjoy it, my man. There'll be better ones, right?
Yeah, the problem was no hands there, you see. Ish.
Yeah, I think they're busy with heist or something. Park the car there.
Oh, I must park the car. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're taking yours, Agar. Yeah, let's go.
Climb there, climb. Drive there, my
Who's
man.
driving me? Yeah.
You don't want to drive?
No, I was just asking. Where are we going?
To the clothing store. I'll mark it for you on the map. Get in the car there.
Where?
Let me see. You tell me if you got the keys there. What? Don't press the H button when you get into a car. You don't have the keys.
Fish. That's key, you see.
Don't stress it. Drive. It's fine. When you press the H, it's braking. It hotwires the car.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then if there's PD, they're gonna come to the scene and say you're trying to steal the car.
Okay.
Yeah. Usually when you steal a car, you have to use the advanced lock picks.
Uh-huh. Alright, sharp. Hey, so I'm using control and push to talk. So hey, to talk to drive and talk at the same time.
Bruh,
Is
you
it-
need to get used to the mouse and the keyboard.
Hey,
Those are
bruh.
right muscles for you.
Okay, let me. Hey, but I don't.
Because even now
I don't know how to
using
drive. I don't know how to drive with the keyboard and mouse. I don't play with keyboard and
you
mouse, so I'm struggling.
nah driving with the keyboard. You just drive with A W S D.
Hey, I know. Hey, it's hard, bruh. Yo.
But then
Huh.
automatically, even now, you're not going to be able to press the the shift when you're driving with the controller.
Yeah. Hey,
Go straight.
straight.
Yeah. Go no, climb the highway. Climb the highway.
Assess.
Press shift once.
Huh? I missed the turn, eh? I missed the turn.
Yeah.
Where am I going?
Dollar U10. Dollar U10. Dollar U10.
Wait. Where am I going? Do I go straight?
Go straight and off ramp. Off ramp. Off ramp.
Oh, off ramp. Yo.
Go straight, then off ramp. Off ramp right now.
Chat. One more tata.
Then go left. Go left.
Hi, boo.
The closing store there is on the map. We're close to it now. I'm busy at the clothing store. I want to change clothes. You guys are doing the trips right now, right? Back for the clothing or for putting things in it?
Where are we going?
The clothing store is behind you. Look on your map there on your glasses.
Oh yeah, behind. Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh, wait. Don, do you say which bag do you wanna buy?
Wait, you mean the one in the map, the yellow one? I get the orange one.
Yeah. The one on the map, the yellow one.
Okay, sharp.
You have to buy it there close by the pier. But again, you can join radio 12, but then it's fine. I was saying you can join radio 24 there.
I can see the outfit I can tell it. Oh, banana.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Let's go.
Hey, wait, I have no hands.
Chat. Game volume up a little. But when I take it up a little, guys, it's gonna hold again nakakwan. I might not be able to hear properly. I have to. On the next stream, what I'll do is before I start, I'll sit down and test the audios to see what's the smooth spot. Lag, but kind of on my side, ne? It's not super. It's not showing me any lag. It's showing me the stream is perfectly healthy. You see that guy, Jason, bruh. That guy.
Yeah. What happened?
Bruh, I was in the water. He took me. He threw me in the water. And then he was punching me under the water. I have the clip.
Mara Jason is not listening.
That guy.
My man, it's up to you. You can tell us the clip in and it's okay, right? And I told him to stop the nonsense that he was doing.
We could be partying now, and look what he did.
Yeah, because you can download the clip and send it to Tash, and then see Tash will sort it out.
Yeah, no, I'll do that.
Yeah, Jason Lenamar. I want to show you, and I was telling you press the shift there.
Hey, you have NOS in the car. Yo.
Yeah, like I was telling you, press the shift.
No, drive is fine.
Headaches. I'm not giving you headaches.
Hey, no, you can drive. Where are we going?
I'm not giving you headaches.
You're not giving me what?
Headaches.
No, I'm fine. Nah, I don't have stress.
No, I'm saying like headaches, like the glitches when I'm driving. Headaches.
Oh yeah, headaches. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can drive to avoid
getting headaches. Okay, sharp. I can drive.
Yeah. Otherwise, you're gonna say the car is flying when it's not flying.
Watch
out.
This is local, bruh. Where are we going?
You can go back to let me call Tiger to check if Jason is there or not to get your car fixed.
What, TT?
Yeah, Gary was busy getting bumped by the locals.
Hey, just do the map for me there.
You see by the hospital, you're gonna off ramp now, then you're gonna turn left. Off ramp down, off ramp down, off ramp there. Abuta Tiger.
Where?
Is Jason there by the store or not? Yo, my second. I'll come back. I'm come back when he's not there. Nah, I don't want to talk to him. I wanted to get some bargaining, someone's car fixed. So there's a problem with Jason and the other person. Okay, I salute. I'll call you.
Jason is a problem like that.
He's still there, the TT.
I'm gonna take out that guy, bruh.
You can do that. Let him take him out fast there with Boo. Let me check what these guys are.
Yeah, that guy thinks he can do anything he wants.
That's his problem. Don, where are you guys now? Changing way. Close by the wheat shop. Jason is the problem. I've been talking to him to stop the bargain, the thing that he's doing, but then he doesn't want to do it. BK.
What's up?
Oh, I was saying that I've been talking to Jason to stop what he's doing, but then he doesn't want to stop. That's the problem.
That's the problem with him, bruh.
You were?
I'm gonna hit him with my car. If one day we are chilling, I'm gonna take my car and hit him with it.
Yeah, I'm coming. Nah, you can't hit him with the car. Off ramp there. Go straight off ramp.
Off ramp where?
Straight there. Just go straight. You see the off ramp right there. Straight.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah. You can't hit him with the car because you missing the off ramp there. When you hit him with the car, that's VDM there.
Hey, I'll shoot him with the gun.
Hey, make sure you interact, man.
Wait. Straight.
Passing there, 10 left. Go back, 10 left. My bad. We're going to the throwing store at the bargain, the one close to the weed there. The guys are there, the other guys. The one who are hosting the party.
Okay, sharp.
10 left. BK.
By TT.
I go to the close door. 10 left.
But where are those guys?
Yeah, 10 left. Go, 10 left. Yeah, then 10 right. I go there. That idiot is online now. Go there, bro. Go fast. Go to the clothing store. Go to the clothing store. BKK.
TT.
Jason is on duty now. Go to the clothing store then. Go straight to the clothing store.
To clothing store. Oh.
Yeah. Wait. Sorry, my bad. Hey guys, Jason is on duty there.
What is happening here now?
Why are you guys here? Because there's a car that exploded here. Where are you now then? Hey, back to TT. Yeah, wait. Hey. I'm confused to bomb the car there. Turn left, yeah. Alright, make sure your body cam is recording because it might try to give you problems and arrest you for nothing.
Sharp. How do I make sure it's recording?
If you are streaming or anything like or recording with the OBS or something.
Oh yeah, no, sharp.
Oh, salute. What clothes were you guys changing now?
Bro, can you give Don the text?
I can't give him the I have to share the ID with him unless you go now to go buy the bag.
Yo, King. Watch.
Eh? Sure.
We are buddies, ne?
Rather we go now to go buy the bags because also BK needs one, I guess.
Alright. Hold on there, bro. I'm trying to fix my graphics.
Okay, wait. Otherwise, BK, you good, miss?
Nah, I'm good. I'm nice.
I wanna get to a birthday, you know, Osama bin Laden bomb people on your head there.
It's for Jason, this one.
You're gonna bomb people.
This guy, I'm gonna teach him a lesson. Watch.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kidnap that guy.
Okay, make sure you torture him to come nice.
I'm gonna torture the guy. Wait.
Yeah, if you need the torture check, I can give you one. Don't worry.
Wait.
Done. Okay. Slime is the one who had popped on the radio. Done. I want us to go to the. I want us to go to the back store.
I'm the one who's trying to take out Jason. I'm the one who's trying to take him out.
King.
What's up?
No, I was saying I want us to go to the back store so you can also buy some bags for yourself too.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I'm at TT. I'm outside. Just that I'm waiting for these guys. Alright. Let's go inside there, BK.
Don is there.
I had that your car, your guys' car.
You got somebody?
I had that somebody bombed the car. Something.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why he came here.
I mean, I'm just shocked at who's bombing all of these things.
That's
why I
also my
say
question.
just make
Yo,
sure
chat.
you have your body cam on. Just shit goes wild.
Chat, if you're watching this,
bombed while standing like this.
Chat, if you're watching this for the first time, do follow me so you don't miss out when we go live
I don't know, but right
again.
now PD right is moving to.
Okay, Jason, no, you don't do it, you know.
It's me. I was.
Oh, I thought it was Jason.
I can't go and
Chat, Kana, is my network? Am I lagging?
I see. I'll be back now. I need to tell Tiger something there.
Who's this one now?
Who's driving the white BMW?
It's not J.
JC.
Yeah.
Oh, the vice president.
Kind little Jason on no 2 willing as you go. Ah, didn't Williams.
Ana gizira lang.
Ah. Ne.
No, bona ke no tichile. Zakusanya we re lo.
Ah,
Chat,
Jason
it's
and
like
I
it's like he's breaking. You are lagging. Yeah, go tell I'm lagging.
I'll tell like I'm calling before a lot of tickets are gonna happen to you. When you have a problem, trigger, you're causing a lot of problems. Stop what you're doing, cool down, my man. Be a normal citizen. Eh? Kimberly's are be a normal citizen. I doesn't wanna be a normal citizen.
Is it like a bad?
Ah, it doesn't listen. Aye. Where are these guys? No, I'm gonna leave them here.
And I go bona we ready highest to president.
I can't. I have no access. I mean, I'm in the government now. I can't be doing such things. I can't do any criminal activities. If I do criminal activities, I'm removed, my man.
Yeah.
I
I'm
can't.
sure you have money, eh? I guess what something. Go back
Eish, Mombala, wait.
Serious, I can
Eh?
Yo, serious.
Never to the stop with some occasion, man. It's very hectic. It's very hectic. Eish. It's very hectic. I want to leave big here. I should have very much like Boma, to know.
Yeah.
Bo, are sick and tired now. All he's gonna do is bomb. He's gonna assassinate people.
If I catch you here, you're gonna be in a lot of.
Abraham tired of being the good guy.
Special task. If I see you bombing and I catch you.
Nah, you don't have to see them. You already know who it is. It's your friend, bro.
If you have body cam, you can tell me.
Yeah.
I'm going to sentence. Just that now HPD is under maintenance. I can't even.
Yeah.
Assignments, they said by today or tomorrow.
Jason, I'm sure he's gonna be the first PD to go to prison, then mob shame, and another admin prison. Serious?
Sometimes government send PD messages.
Yeah. Or sometimes in here.
Sometimes government tells us to send somebody to prison. Not 700.
Yeah.
I heard that guy last time he killed the medic, then he robbed the medic.
Yeah.
Medic and they take it. They're like, I must sentence them.
I remember I was telling Jake about that story. They were robbing a medic. And he's like, hey, I don't know the story. Get my man, they were robbing your people. They were not, it wasn't me.
Come on now. I medic got help. Hey, Rafika Dagasho, Dam. And I started
Yeah.
Medic in a hand.
They're not reading the rules properly, these ones.
Medic will take it. 100 pounds.
It doesn't listen.
Bona re ke o lontse kwa Jason kwa o we there na. I don't know my attendant. No, my golf 8 is there.
So now you guys done because you wanna go there buy the bags.
If they kill you.
Yeah. Que will matar.
Clean. You see that guy that killed the medic?
I'm sure he learned his lesson. You can't be out here killing and robbing medics.
Last time I met with him, he told me, he's like, hey,
Yeah. Don, are you back or are you still in the head, bruh?
I think he's in.
It's a hectic situation, yeah. Yeah, it's a hectic situation.
As long as Vasan take more take.
Yeah.
You go best chief. I got that joke.
Maar agree won by Piletiar.
I'm an agar naga tunde ke kre.
Outly agree. Tier Marag for Apila Zenile.
Amar kenya ko kre maybe
Yeah.
Yeah. It's fine if I don't get by.
Guys, I know Bima
I
Boy.
get lieutenant.
I should have played with Bima Boy a long time ago, but I just thought I wasn't good enough to play with him. I don't want to be carried the whole way.
Like hiring people.
Well, you can do a lot of things there.
Even Marketing we wanna PD.
Yeah, this one.
I wonder if they're gonna add.
Yeah.
And I think they might add you. So TR last time you was talking about. Bro.
Yeah, man.
Done. Yeah, done.
He's opening a ticket.
I'm sure. The way he's busy now, I'm sure. Done. Slime.
But let me check if this guy's on.
Slime.
Even gonna be west.
It's your chat. I think am I lagging? Am I lagging, chat?
I don't know.
You, Father God.
He's not on. If he was on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. I'm the only one.
Yeah.
But I'm not on duty. My right, you need help. Just I can't even access PD card. There's my account.
No lag, no.
Paul.
You are free lag.
Paul.
Game.
New. Paul.
Oh, wait.
There's Cairo, though. Cairo stuck somewhere with the truck.
You need to tell
Just put him on loudspeaker.
Cairo.
Yeah,
let me go get Cairo.
Yeah.
Eh?
He's not asking to go get Cairo.
Cairo away. Get Cairo away.
He's not asking there.
He's saying
Slime,
he's
get
stuck
Cairo
somewhere with
away.
the truck. He's stuck somewhere with the truck.
Which track?
I think the oil one.
The petrol one.
Yeah, the oil one. Maybe he was doing a joke.
Oh, well, we fired that guy at the filling station.
Now which job is he there, by? Cairo, which truck are you driving this?
Which truck is Cairo fire driving, man? That guy was fired, man.
He's driving a petrol car.
My best low car.
He's driving a petrol car, guys.
Okay, we come in, Cairo. We come in.
What kind of
you know where I am.
Send the location to Van Bay, Cairo.
I'm going to get a can of Red Bull, then I'm straight to editing something. Okay, cool. Yo, chat, watch. What's up?
Let's go, you meet the character there.
BK don't kill people.
Who am I killing, bruh?
I'm saying the way you say you want just the light when I move to.
I smell death here.
Man, catch that guy when he's sleeping, BK. Catch him when he's sleeping, BK.
Umkukile.
Oh, nice, man.
Umkuketse nyalo.
Bengithi asambe say that Cairo siyola do Cairo. Cairo man. Uyeza ukhona usitakile. Ngifuna peso.
Mfana babagayano. Yo chat, if you're watching for the first time, please do follow me so you don't miss out when we go live again. I wanna see if they'll check me out.
Meneer.
I'm drunk.
Meneer.
I'm drunk, bro. I was drinking this black label. Yo. Oh.
My man. Bring back the alcohol. Bring back the alcohol.
Eish.
Let's buy the BK.
Eish, bro. Let me wake up.
You meneer.
Using which car, Paul?
I'm using the Austin Martin.
Alright.
They take out the black label. No, take out the black label. You must remove it from your system.
Hey, no, I'm better now. I can see.
Wait, you're gonna be driving. Hey, BK, wait, don't drink.
Eish, okay. Jason knows are ready. Don't say put our back again.
Yeah, Paul. Let me join the radio, bro.
Yeah, BK, join radio 24 there.
24. Okay, wait, 24.
Yeah, and then you see it's marked on the map, Mr. Location.
Hey, Paul, please.
Oh, yeah, Wesley.
Why don't you do introductions?
It's BK. You even met BK?
Oh, bro, it's the first time.
Bro, how haven't you met BK? Didn't you meet BK yesterday?
Yo, what's up?
Yesterday.
The location is marked on the map, BK.
Okay, sharp, man.
BK, I think it's third day today in the city.
Alright, so where PK out
Kibuale man.
Slime. Cornel.
Slime.
Yeah, or
Oh, slime is nice. Slime.
Yeah, Slime is a good guy, BK.
He's not like Jason, this one.
That one is a problem, that one. Guys, you must, when you see my billboard, you must wait there, take a picture of it.
Your billboard.
Yeah.
Your billboard way. Your billboard way.
He didn't see it.
Billboard is flames, bro. Billboard is flames.
Too much. You see another one, BK.
You see, they mustn't move it, bro. They must leave it.
That one, we might even pay for it again. That one.
Or
maybe
change something.
This is not him.
The pictures are now.
Oh, it's the locals from the mission there. I thought it was Cairo, that one.
This was Cairo.
I thought it was. I don't know. There are two people there. Go. He said somewhere here, around here. Go straight, BK.
This local.
That one I'm gonna talk to me that we pay for it again. So yeah, he is. Am I shooting? Yeah, I hate shooting.
Shooting?
Yeah, shooting somewhere. But I need to drop you.
Who came with the truck here now? What is happening? What is happening here?
No, it's one of the employees. He got stuck. I don't know how. And they're shooting here somewhere. Be careful, the locals don't bump you.
Alright, chop.
Where's Cairo?
These locals. Alright, man, this thing's got. This thing's gonna blow, guys. This thing's gonna blow.